At IDEX 2021 in Abu Dhabi, Sign4l, a dynamic provider of agile and adaptive electronic warfare and intelligence solutions and an EDGE subdivision, unveiled two electronic warfare systems, vProtect mobile jamming systems of radio frequency signals and NavControl-G to enable GPS spoofing to counter UAVs. vProtect is a mobile radio frequency communication jamming system able to counter improvised explosive device and roadside bombs controlled by radio signals. It aims at helping block common terrestrial radio frequency signal technologies as well as portable SATCOM equipment spanning radio, walkie-talkie, mobile and Wi-Fi frequencies. Boasting a counter-improvised explosive device or CID and counter-drone measures, the user-friendly model is to be installed in the standard SUV as showcased at IDEX 2021 using antennas mounted on the roof of the vehicle, and it offers automatic operability by utilizing 16 channels and high-emitting power amplifiers to provide support in enhancing protection range and combating various threats across the frequency domain. A vProtect-equipped vehicle is intended to be deployed at the front and at the back of a convoy, so ensuring the neutralization of any attempt to trigger IEDs by any kind of wave. So, mounted on a vehicle, vProtect can be used to conduct counter-terrorism operations or to protect military convoy and VIPs transport. The vehicle located at the front and at the end of the convoy can provide full 360-degree protection using the onboard vProtect solution for radio signal jamming. vProtect is delivered with power distribution, jamming combat system and cooling system that can be used in all weather conditions, especially in desert climates.
We have a completely full band from 20 MHz to 6 GHz without no gap, thanks to the 16 power amplifiers that give us 16 different channels, more than 1,500 watts. We use active and reactive jamming technology, so the car will always transmit the active part, and on top of that we have the reactive. As I said before, we have the 6 receiving antennas and the 9 transmitting antennas, so the car, while it's moving or not moving, it will receive, it will capture the signal, and we will transmit a signal only on the frequencies that we receive it. So we will focus the power only on the frequencies of the threat.
Sign4l also introduced NavControl-G, enabling GPS spoofing to counter UAVs. How does it work? NavControl-G is a sophisticated transmitter unit designed to help prevent unmanned aerial vehicles from trespassing into specific locations. To help safeguard a sensitive area, the system can emulate GPS signals to generate position and timing inaccurates, thereby taking control of non-cooperating UAVs. Encased in a shock-proof container, the system can be seamlessly integrated across multiple configurations, either in fixed locations or deployed on the field when required. The NavControl-G system consists of a jammer mast and a portable computer with software that is fully developed in the United Arab Emirates. It can intercept GPS receiver of the drone and then take control of it using a portable computer interface. The system can control any type of drone and make it land anywhere at a maximum distance of 50 kilometers. A drone GPS spoofer sends fake signals that mimic legitimate ones. It hijacks a drone's communication link by emitting a counterfeit signal that the device reads as valid because it's a copy of the real signal. It can cause a small delay between the drone and the controller. Then the spoofer emits the stronger false signal. It now has control over the device and can pilot the drone. The spoofer deceives the GPS receiver. GPS spoofing is hard to defend against, if your UAV device is using GPS for flight navigation. According to NavControl-G engineers, the NavControl-G has already been successfully tested at a maximum range in December 2020 by an undisclosed customer in the desert with real drones and different possible threats. The system can be coupled to other jamming systems including radar, camera and radio frequency sensors. In the future, NavControl-G could have hard kill capabilities, using a laser weapon to neutralize and render drones inoperable. Notice that Signal is part of the Electronic Warfare and Intelligence Cluster at EDGE, an advanced technology group that ranks among the top 25 military suppliers in the world.
This is a counter UAV spoofer. It's a product to protect you or your site from UAVs by basically manipulating the GPS receiver of the drone. So we can inject any data we want into a GPS receiver. We can make the drone land everywhere we want. We can even steer it. We can redirect it to a different position. And all of this we can do at ranges of up to 50 kilometers. We use this as part of a bigger system, which we are also using within Signal. We have a radar, we have a camera, we have an RF sensor. We also have a simple jammer.